Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to properly download and install the most popular IDE for Java development, IntelliJ IDEA. If you are starting your programming journey, this video is going to be very helpful for you, so let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your PC and search on Google for IntelliJ IDEA download. Click on the very first link, which is the official website of JetBrains. Here you will see two versions. One is the ultimate version, which is paid, and the other is the community version, which is completely free. Since we are going to use it for free, we will click on the download button under the community edition and wait for the download to finish. For the installation process, once the software is downloaded, double click on the setup file to start the installation. A setup window will appear on your screen. From here, click on Next. Then choose the installation path where you want to save the software and click Next again. Please look at this part carefully. There are some important options here, such as creating a desktop shortcut and most importantly, checking the box that says Add Launchers to the path. This ensures that you won't face any issues while running your code later. After checking the options, click Next and then click Install. It will take a minute or two to complete. After the installation is complete, click on Finish. Now open IntelliJ IDEA from your desktop, accept the user agreement and click Continue. As you can see on the screen, our IntelliJ IDEA is fully opened and it is now completely ready to. So this is the simple process to download and install IntelliJ IDEA on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you everyone.